Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, it's Michael here, and with my baby girl Paisley. She just turned 3 in May. I'm taking her on her first real fishing trip. We got some little shiners we're gonna take out, me, her, and her mom. And I know you guys are probably like, what the heck, where's Mike been? Well, Mike's been working, but finally got a chance to get out here. She's finally getting big enough she can go out here. We're gonna see how she does. So it's like 4:30 in the afternoon right now. Mom's parking the truck, waiting on her to get back, and then we're gonna get this. You ready to do this, Paisley? Just tell me you're excited. Yeah, say you sing your song about how excited you were. Yeah. All right, tell them bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right, see you guys.
Oh, he was jumped on.
All right, guys, we're gonna get this one in. This is gonna be one for me and one for Char. Back at the rock. Whole frog. Feels good. Feels good. You ready to do something, baby? Talk to them. That's a good one. I think we need it. Oh, freaking catfish. What disappointment.
Wait,
You got a fish and I got you. Yeah, that's what it was. Gotcha. It's just coming straight in as a stick. God, it's worse than a catfish. This show's full of disappointments and lies.
You got one.
Kissing?
He's dead. He's dead. He was dead.
Why? Just like you did the other little guy. Thank you.
GoPro. Oh, never mind, it's still on.
I'll put the other one in the ocean. So, him and this one are going in the ocean. Not in a bucket.
Paige, you ready?
Yeah.
Wanna do this?
Yeah.
See if we can get you one, baby. Paisley, here. Dang it, Paisley, here. Paisley, you got one. Come on, here. Go, reel. Reel, don't stop. Come on, don't stop, reel. Pick the rod up. Reel, baby. Reel. Come on, reel. You can do it.
Whoa.
Oh my God, hold him.
Yeah, finally.
Whoa.
Paisley's first fish.
One fishy, baby.
Yeah.
Was that fun?
Wait, turn around so Mama can see. Kissing bye.
Bye.
Aww. That's your first fishy ever.
Yeah, because he's my friend.
That's your friend?
Oh, Paisley, set the hook, Paisley. Set the hook.
Grab it, baby.
Got him, reel. Go, Paisley, reel. Take it, reel.
Is this recording?
Yeah. Go. I think he got off.
I got one.
No, he got off,
Oh,
baby.
baby, got away.
He got off.
Oh, it's going faster.
Sometimes they're sneaky. They get off.
Yeah. find it? Dad, do you have a fish?
Yeah, I got a fish.
Is that one your fishy? Oh. The fish is going crazy.
They're going crazy for sure.
Oh my god.
All right. Here, watch that for a minute. Let me get rid of him.
Oh.
Oh, he's a heavy one.
Paisley, 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 you got one.
Real.
You got one, Paige, hurry.
I don't think she's got one.
You don't think so? That thing's deep and gone.
Real, Paisley, real.
Yes, she does.
Real, baby, real. Paisley, you got one. Paisley, you got one. Real. You got one. You got one. Rod tip up. Get your rod up. Get your rod up. Get your rod up, baby. Go. Real. Is he off? Come on, real.
Yeah.
Go. You got him. Come on.
You got the other one, baby.
Come on.
Get him, baby girl.
Real.
You can't stop. You keep reeling him.
Woo.
Whoa.
Oh, Mama's hooked up too.
Whoa.
Come on, baby. Don't lose him.
I'm not.
Get him up. Lift up. You gotta lift up.
Okay, I'm doing it.
Lift up, baby. Oh my God.
It's big.
I know. Pick it up.
I can't.
Pick it up. Pick it up. Oh, look at that, Paisley. Whoa.
Ah.
Good job, Paige. It's a nice one.
Good girl.
Oh, and Daddy's hooked up.
I need
Yes, it's hooked up too.
hooked up too.
Is there a girl or boy?
I need pliers.
I'm trying to get.
Stop, it's got a hook on it. Paige, you got one. You got one already. You got one.
Hurry, reel it.
It's too big. I'm trying to.
Paisley, real, baby, real.
I'm trying to. I got it.
I got all. Reel it, baby.
I'm trying to.
Keep reeling.
Big.
Fast.
I got him.
Real, girl, get him. Real. Don't stop reeling.
Whoa, he's pulling.
Reel
Reel it, baby. Reel.
Real.
Reel, love.
Trying to.
Is that fun, baby? Oh, he got off right at the dang bow.
Oh.
Spoken like a true fisherman.
I gotta get another one.
Here, hold on. Your hook's laying on mommy's foot. Grace, where's your fork? Where'd it go? It's got so much slack in it.
I got for
Here, baby.
It's recording.
Yeah, here, real. Don't lose this one.
you. I'm not. I'm trying
Real. You gotta reel him this time. You can't lose this one.
I'm not. Go. Do it.
Come on, reel. You gotta reel. You don't reel. Turn the handle.
She's got a hard time today. She's got little hands.
Here, go for it. Go, turn. Turn.
Fast as you can. Fast. Whoa, that's a big one.
I got one.
Paisley, that's a big one. Oh my God.
Yay.
Oh, okay, I'm trying.
Whoa. Paisley. Wow.
You get up in there. While I take care of her. Whoa, Paisley, look at that one.
That's a big one.
Dang.
I got
Good job, love.
Paisley, look at that big one. Whoa, kiss him bye.
it. Bye.
Gotta get in the finger, babe.
I'm getting scared when I get in the trees.
Well, you got one.
Set it.
As I was, oh my God. Swaying right up and down mine.
Yeah, mine likes yours.
Hey, that's a good one.
Oh, I got one too.
You do not. No, you don't.
I got one too. My fishy hand too.
Got it. He's running. Real. Help her, Mama, because I can't do both. Real, Paisley, real.
I'm trying to. I got a big one.
Oh.
Uh-oh. I'm trying to trim it back. This time, I'm going the last one.
Real, baby. Here he is. Over here. He's over here. Real. Pull it. Turn that handle. Turn that handle. Turn that handle.
Yeah.
Come on. You're going to lose him. He's a good one. Come on. There he is.
Yeah.
Oh. Look at him.
I got one. No, I gotta move him up. Oh, I gotta move him up. I better quickly, Daddy, help me. Daddy, help me.
Yeah, hold on.
I'm trying to.
You're fine. You're fine. Go, Charlotte. Don't worry about it.
Daddy, help me.
You got doubles. Mama daughter doubles.